In this episode, you will design your own AI character with a real Rwandan cultural identity. By the end, you will know how to generate a culturally specific AI character in Google Flow, Nano Banana Pro, how to refine your result using negative prompts, and how to bring that character to life in Google Flow. Most AI characters look the same. Generic face, neutral clothes, no cultural context. That is because the default AI training data skews toward a narrow range of appearances. The fix is not a better tool. It is a more specific prompt combined with the right model. Today we use Google Flow, Nano Banana Pro, a free image generation platform that gives us precise control over cultural detail. Go to Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside Flow, select the Nano Banana Pro feature for image generation. You can choose how many images you want to generate, from 1 to 4 images. Then, select Image on the left side. Write your prompt in the prompt box using our 4-step formula: subject, action or setting, style, camera. And when you're ready, click Generate. Flow will then create your images based on your prompt. Good result. But let us push the cultural detail further with a negative prompt. That is the difference a negative prompt makes. We have moved from a portrait to a cultural statement. Negative prompts subtract what you do not want. Positive prompts add what you do want. Use both together in every generation. This single habit will improve every image you produce from today. Download your best result from Google Flow, Nano Banana Pro. Now switch to Google Flow. This is the same image-to-video panel we used in episode 4. Upload the character image. For the motion prompt, describe only movement, not what is already visible in the image. Try this. Gentle head turned to the right, fabric rippling softly, eyes blinking slowly, still camera. Generate. Watch her move. You have just designed an AI character with a real cultural identity. Mushanana, Rwandan features, Kigali context. That is not a generic avatar. That is a character with a story waiting to happen. Your challenge? Open your PDF workbook, go to Session 5, the prompt library, and use the Rwanda prompt templates there to create 3 different character expressions. Same identity, different emotion or setting. In Episode 6, we solved the biggest problem in AI character work: consistency. How do you make sure your character looks the same across 10 different scenes? We will teach you the consistency trinity: character reference and identical prompt core. The character you just created could become the lead of your competition entry. Submissions are open until August 31st across 3 tracks. Give your character a voice and a story to tell. Details and sign up are in the link below.